Welcome to my channel Vault of Civilizations.
Backup generator is holding. Not picked up. Keep that as if we get.
All right, little one, let's get you fixed up. There we go. All better now. Rest easy now.
I'm inside one of the world's most advanced chicken farms, where millions of eggs begin every single day.
Now the egg production cycle officially begins inside these gigantic laying barns. Specialized conveyor systems safely transport millions of fresh eggs every morning. Every section of the farm is monitored every second to maximize production and safety. Human workers still play a critical role in maintaining perfect quality standards. Millions of eggs now begin their journey toward the mega processing factory. Speed and coordination are essential when handling products this fragile. Specialized transport systems protect egg freshness before processing even begins. Every tray is secured with precision to prevent damage during transportation. The global supply chain begins moving long before most people wake up.
These eggs are now entering one of the most advanced food factories ever built.
Inside this factory, millions of eggs are processed every single day without stopping. Artificial intelligence helps detect even the smallest defects within seconds. Every egg is sanitized using industrial cleaning systems designed for food safety. Human quality experts carefully inspect every batch before packaging begins. Drying systems prepare the eggs for the next stage of factory processing. Advanced sorting technology organizes millions of eggs with incredible precision. Behind every machine stands a team of workers keeping the system alive. This facility operates like a perfectly synchronized industrial city. Every egg passing this line is prepared for global distribution.
What looks simple from outside is actually one of the world's most complex food operations.
Packaging begins immediately to preserve freshness and prevent contamination. Human coordination keeps this billion-dollar system moving every minute.
1, 2, 3.
Tracking systems monitor every package throughout the entire supply chain.
Millions of cartons are prepared daily for supermarkets around the world.
Even with advanced machines, human eyes remain essential for final quality checks. Cold storage systems protect freshness before international shipment begins. Every shipment must remain perfectly preserved before reaching consumers. The race to deliver fresh eggs never stops inside this mega factory. From this facility, millions of eggs begin traveling across entire nations.
Behind me, global egg shipments are already moving towards stores across the world.
A single control center manages every stage of production in real time. Line 3 optimization initiated. Confirm adjustment. Confirmed. Speed normalizing.
Constant maintenance keeps this non-stop operation running 24 hours a day.
One technical failure could interrupt millions of deliveries worldwide.
Backup power systems protect production even during emergencies. Cleanliness is treated like a science inside the Vault of Civilization's factory.
Animal health directly affects the quality of every egg produced here.
Good girl.
Feeding millions of hens requires military-level organization and planning.
Massive storage systems supply enough feed to support millions of birds every day.
Before sunrise, inspections begin again across the entire farm complex.
The scale of this operation becomes almost unbelievable once you see it up close. Starting line 3.
This industrial network functions like a living machine designed to feed the world. Environmental control systems protect millions of chickens every hour. Hydration systems are monitored constantly to keep the hens healthy and productive. Despite automation, careful human labor still protects product quality.
Industrial robots now handle enormous volumes faster than ever before.
Every movement inside this factory is optimized for maximum efficiency. No weather conditions can stop the global supply chain from moving forward.
Only hours after leaving the factory, these eggs reach millions of customers.
Most people never realize the massive industrial journey behind a single carton of eggs.
Only hours after leaving the factory, these eggs reach millions of customers. Thousands of workers dedicate their lives to keeping this operation alive.
Even through the night, production never slows inside this mega facility. Nature may become dangerous, but the farm must continue operating without interruption.
Emergency response teams protect both the animals and the factory systems.
All systems stabilized. Heading to the barns now. Millions of eggs continue flowing through the factory every single hour.
Every carton still depends on careful human attention before shipment. A new day begins, and the entire process starts again from the beginning.
What you've seen today is one of the most advanced egg production systems ever created.
These shipments now travel across countries to supply millions of families every day. Global logistics networks ensure every store receives fresh products on time.
24/25.
Most customers never imagine the massive industrial system behind these simple products.
Look, eggs.
Every stage of production depends on precision, teamwork, and non-stop coordination.
For the workers of Vault of Civilizations, this is more than a job. It is a mission.
Before another production cycle begins, every section must be cleaned perfectly.
Billions of eggs pass through systems like these every year around the world. This hidden industrial empire never truly sleeps.
Another day ends, but the cycle of feeding the world continues once more.
This video is created for educational purposes using AI tools. The script and ideas were inspired by public info and competitors concept, then rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations are AI generated using VO3, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing is done in CapCut. We do not copy or reuse any other contents. This video is informative only and doesn't present AI visuals as real footage.